Hello friends, welcome back to my channel with this new video which is a best out of waste project, and we are going to make a candle holder out of it. Hope you all like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such interesting DIYs. Festival season has already started, and we all love to decorate our houses with candles and diyas. So why not first make a candle holder for decorating our houses? The best part is we are going to make this candle holder from waste material in our house, and it is a zero budget DIY. So let's see what the basic waste material we are going to use in this project. We are going to use the lid of this kettle, which I am using as a planter. Also the lid of this ceramic container. This container is also used as a planter. And then we are going to use these paper towel rolls. So let's start making it. First, glue the paper towel roll onto the lid as shown. I'm using a glue gun here, but you can use any adhesive like Fevibond or Fevicol or Shoe Fix. Now twist and roll the foil and stick it to the paper roll as shown. After this is glued, the next thing that we are going to use is a wooden bangle. Now glue this bangle also onto the paper roll. Fill the paper towel roll with some newspaper or old papers just to make it more sturdy. Now glue an old CD onto the top of the paper roll. On top of the CD, we will glue a leftover cardboard ring of a tape. For the smaller candle holder also, we will follow the same procedure of sticking the paper towel roll onto the lid. Then, as previously done, we will stick a CD and a leftover cardboard ring of the tape. Both our candle holder bases are ready. Now, on top of it, we are going to glue tissue paper with the help of a glue and water mixture. Cover both the candle holders with this tissue paper and let it dry. Now the surprise element of this video is going to come up. We are going to make a texture paste at home, and for this we will need any baby powder and glue. Just mix these together and your texture paste is ready. I'm adding a little water just to check the consistency of the paste. Apply this homemade texture paste onto the candle holders. You can directly apply it with hands as it is safe because we are using only baby powder and glue in it. So you can use your hands to apply the paste. With the help of any tool, you can make any texture on the candle holder. Now let this dry completely. I am painting both the candle holders black and then I let it dry. Now take golden color and apply with your hands as shown. This will give an antique effect to the candle holder. Now we'll make the flowers with the help of Fevicryl molded. Mix both the resin and hardener together and make a bowl out of it. From here onwards, observe the video very carefully. I am going to make the decoration elements like the flowers, leaves and the buds. I am going to show a very easy method of making flowers, so don't forward this part of the video for sure. Once all the clay elements have dried, we'll give them a white base color. I have also made some clay roses. If you would like to learn how I've made them, please do comment in the comment box. I will surely make one video for this. Now start gluing all the decoration elements onto the candle holder. Let's paint the flowers now. I have taken white, yellow, peach, orange for the flowers and green of two different types for the leaves. Smaller flowers I am keeping them as white and I am painting the borders as yellow. You can paint them with colors of your choice also. See my painting and enjoy the video ahead. You can use any ball chains or pearls to decorate further. I am sticking small pearls in the center of the flowers. Then I'm using this Fevicryl liquid embroidery cone to make some small pearl dots on this. after all the colors are dried, don't forget to give it a coat of varnish. And here are your beautiful zero budget, best out of waste candle holders ready. You can use them for lighting candles, or you can also keep diyas on them and enjoy your festivals. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have liked this video, you will find more such interesting and zero budget DIYs on my channel. Thank you.